Welcome to the Vanguard Super Learn series. Today, we're diving into a topic that matters to everyone: living in retirement. Retirement isn't just about stopping work, it's about living well. For many, it means enjoying the life you've worked hard for and planned to achieve, even if circumstances change along the way. While retirement is a time to put your feet up, there are still some strategies you can follow to set yourself up for financial success. If you're over 60, you can consider using your super to start an account-based pension. This keeps your money in the super system so you can continue to enjoy tax concessions. An account-based pension offers regular income using some or all of your super savings, flexibility to choose payment amounts and frequencies, and access to lump sum withdrawals anytime you need extra funds. Just remember, there are minimum withdrawal limits set by the government based on your age. Additionally, the age pension can also act as a genuine supplement to your income stream. The age pension is a regular fortnightly government payment which requires you to meet certain criteria to be eligible. To qualify, you need to be an Australian resident and be living in Australia, be at least 67 years old, and meet income and asset thresholds. For more details on the age pension, visit the Services Australia website. Even in retirement, your super stays invested, possibly for decades. So it's important to keep an eye on how your super is invested, including your investment choices to ensure they continue to meet your needs and suit your investment goals. And remember, retirement doesn't mean you have to stop working. Many retirees choose part-time or freelance work to supplement income and stay engaged. Another handy tip is to remember to get your will sorted and to nominate your beneficiaries. While making a will gives you some control over how your assets are treated after you've passed away, super is different. It doesn't automatically form part of your estate. If you don't nominate a beneficiary, the trustee of your super fund can decide who gets it based on legal guidelines. You can nominate your spouse, your children, someone you share a close relationship with, or your legal personal representative, like the executor of your will. There are rules around nominating beneficiaries, and they can become invalid. So a good rule of thumb is to check your nomination of beneficiaries whenever your personal circumstances change. The nomination that's most appropriate for you will depend on your personal circumstances, so you may want to discuss this with a financial advisor. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected circumstances can have an impact on your retirement. That's why it's important to be flexible with your plans and adjust to changes, particularly in relation to expenses and income. Economic factors like inflation and unexpected health issues can impact your financial situation. Healthcare can be a big expense in retirement. In Australia, Medicare helps cover some costs, but you might still have to pay for private health insurance, elective procedures, and other medical needs. Later in life, aged care may become a consideration. Planning ahead for these expenses can help ensure a steady retirement. The one thing to keep in mind is that you don't need to plan for retirement by yourself. Help and support is available. You can talk to your super fund, use government resources, or seek professional advice. A good place to start if you're looking for more general guidance and support could be to book an appointment with one of our retirement specialists today. Just go to our retirement planning section of our website or call us on 1300 655 101. Similarly, a financial advisor can help create a tailored strategy that maximises the benefit for your particular set of circumstances. Here's a list of helpful resources you can refer to: your super fund, the government's Financial Information Service, Money Smart website, the Australian Taxation Office, and Services Australia. We hope this information has helped you understand things to consider when approaching living in retirement. For more information, visit our Vanguard Super Learn Centre at vanguard.com.au/super/learn or contact us directly on 1300 655 101.